My name's Phil Downing and I'm the Hall Manager of Harvington Hall. Now back in 2017 I did something that many would say was pretty crazy. I locked myself inside a priest hide for 24 hours. The lights were off, it was just me with a loaf of bread, a bottle of water and a pot to wee in. If that experience wasn't bad enough, I'm doing it again, but this time for 36 hours. I've brought you into Dr. Dodd's library, which is the smallest room of Harvington Hall, and close by is one of the most ingenious priest hides in England. I'm actually sitting in the book cupboard, so you've had doors in front of me, panelling on all three sides of the walls. Now imagine the priest hunters are banging down at the gate. You'll need to come into this room, open the doors and remove the books. But when you come to this wall, you would unclip the panelling. Now you'll see it's just a normal brick wall and a couple of wooden beams. That one is solid. This one, however, swings wide open. This is the priest hide I'm going to be spending 36 hours. So let's go and take a look. Some of you are probably thinking, what on earth is a priest hide? Well, in short, what it is, it's a secret hiding place built within the very walls of the home to keep a Catholic priest safe during the time of persecution. Hiding places can be found up and down the UK, and they come in various shapes and sizes. And this one in here is actually quite big. It's 8 foot long, 3 foot wide and 5 foot high. You'll notice there's some lights on in here now, but this certainly wouldn't have been the case. And a priest could be hiding for over a week. Now, of course, I'm only doing this for 36 hours, but I'm actually going to bring a night vision camera in with me so I can record a video diary so you guys can check it out once I've completed the challenge. So wish me luck, because I'm going to need it. Now you're probably all thinking, why? Well, COVID has hit the heritage sector hard, and as a charity we've navigated our way through with very little income. But with maintenance bills through the roof, we urgently need your help. We have recently received grant funding to repair our bridges, but are still short of funds to pay for the works. And we have a rare collection of Elizabethan wall paintings that need protecting. So please, please help fund Harvington's future by clicking on the link somewhere around this video to donate. But from all of us at Harvington Hall, thank you.